Right guys, today I'm going to be solving the Rubik's Cube. I can solve it, won't take me that long. It will take me quite a long time. So we are going to time it. Right, but first
Thomas is going to go out the room and
yeah,
I'm going to mix it up with this. It's not brand new, Thomas has just literally solved it like in 2 minutes.
Right, so he'll shout me when he's back, when he's done.
Finished. Right, so muddled up, like there's not like whole side. It's got wait. There. Right, that's better. Right, Jesus. Right. Right there. Alright, Tom.
Right. So what we're going to do is, if I just tip this down a bit, right, this is going to be, I'll try and get this right. I'm going to tilt it down, so it's just, Jesus. I just thought of an idea while out there. So, can we balance this, please? Sorry, guys.
You need to put something in front of it.
Yeah, true.
You can get something, Tom.
Sorry, guys. Sorry about this.
Oh yeah, that's gonna work. No, you need something bigger.
It won't. It don't matter now. Just don't matter. Right.
Just hold it up.
It's just gonna be just below the camera. So, right, when you say go, I'll pick it up.
Go.
All the way around there, and then what's next? Yeah, talk to myself. I'll do this. What did I just do? I think I may or may not have just messed that up.
Have I just missed that up?
May or may not have just messed that up. That's in the wrong place. What am I doing? It's been ages since I've done this, so I am very, very rusty. But right, and that is one side done.
No, it isn't. Which one? Which side's done?
You confused me then, Kyle. No.
That's backwards, actually.
It is backwards, so.
We're at 2 minutes 8.
2 minutes 8, yeah, a minute. Sick. I could.
That looks like a 5-5, but it's actually 2 minutes 8.
What I'm going to do, after this video, I
No,
am...
2 minutes.
After this video, I am going...
Finish your sentence.
So, after this video, I am going to practice, right, and then I'm going to come back and see if I can beat my score. What the heck? Everything's messing up. Everything's gone wrong. I think it's just planned to go like this. Finally, got it.
Have you done? No.
No. No.
So it's 3 minutes 31.
Right. I might do a bit of. I might cock a bit. Yeah. Right. Cock it.
He's gonna do it behind his back. Whoa! He's just done it all in
3 minutes
55.
7.
So it was 55 because I stopped it a bit too late.
So we're about 3 minutes 55. I'll come back in the next video, or the one after that, with an improved time, hopefully. So I'll see you until then.